Have you ever tried belacan? Now, if you are Singaporeans or Malaysian, you probably know what is belacan. It's so popular in this region. But if you are not, belacan, it is a kind of shrimp paste that is made by fermented shrimp with salt. It has a strong umami flavor, very flavorful. And in this recipe, I want to incorporate the flavor of the belacan into the fried chicken. So today, I'm going to make a belacan fried chicken. This is the chicken I'm going to use today to make the fried chicken. This is the chicken thigh on the bone, skin on, because it is quite thick. So what I need is to make a few cuts so that the flavor can penetrate easier and also it can cook through quickly. You can also use chicken wing or any part of the chicken. It is really up to you. Make a few cuts on the thickest part. The next step is to dry fry the belacan. Now this is the belacan, I got it from the market. If you flip over and read the ingredient statement, it only contains shrimp and salt. Let me open it and show you. So it looks like that. This is the belacan I'm going to use for the fried chicken, and I'm going to toast it to bring out the flavor. To do that is quite easy. Put the belacan into a pan, no oil, just the belacan only, and try to break it into small pieces and toast it until it becomes dry. If you are with me, you're probably able to smell the aroma rising up. It is slightly pungent, but we are not using in a huge quantity. So when you add to the chicken, it will taste very well. And I'll try to break it up into small pieces so that when I add it to the marinade, the belacan can penetrate into the chicken very easily. Okay, it's quite done. Add some curry powder to the belacan. A small amount of turmeric powder. Turmeric powder will give it a yellowish color, which looks very nice afterwards. A little bit of salt. Bear in mind that the belacan is salty, so I do not want to put too much salt. Minced garlic and ginger. I've minced the garlic and ginger until very fine so that it is able to marinate effectively. You can also use garlic powder if you want. And lastly, cornstarch or potato starch to make the chicken become crispy. Mix all these ingredients together, and I'm going to use it to marinate the chicken. I've washed the chicken and my chicken is quite wet, so I don't need to add much water. If you find that your chicken is too dry, you can just add about a tablespoon of water to the marinade to make it into slightly pasty, or alternatively you can add a tablespoon of a Chinese wine to it so that the marinade will be able to stick onto the chicken nicely like that. So now it's done. I will leave it for at least 2 hours before I fry the chicken. If you have time, you can in fact do it a day before and keep it in the refrigerator overnight, and it will taste even better. Okay, let's start cooking. This is curry leaves. I have some curry leaves and I want to deep fry the curry leaves with some oil. If you don't have the curry leaves, you can omit it. It is nice to have curry leaves because deep fried curry leaves is crispy and it is very aromatic and it goes very well with the chicken. Now I use the same oil to fry the chicken. Now in a restaurant, I will use the electric deep fryer in which there's a basket to hold the chicken, and it will be able to fully submerge the chicken inside the oil, and that's the best way to do it because the cooking will be very even. But at home I do not want to do that because I will need a lot of oil. So I will just use about half an inch of oil to fry it. It may not be as good as using the electric deep fryer, but there is always a trade-off when we cook it at home. So for this kind of shallow frying method that I use it at home, there's always a danger of not fully cook the internal of the chicken, because you look at it, the chicken is not fully submerged inside the oil. So one way is, besides we constantly flip it over, I also cover it from time to time for just a minute or two and open it again. By doing that, I will ensure that the chicken is fully cooked. So from time to time, I will cover it and then I will open it. When you open it, be careful because the oil will splatter because there is some moisture inside. Look. Check the internal temperature, make sure that it reaches about 72 degrees Celsius. When it is done, just remove it. Okay, 72 degrees Celsius. It takes me about 10 minutes, and I cover it occasionally to increase the temperature so that it really be able to cook through the chicken. And I use much less oil than in the restaurant, and it is worth the time spent. Belacan, shrimp paste fried chicken. Uniquely Malaysian, and I hope you will love it. And this is going to be our dinner, crispy fried chicken for you and me. So if you want to give it a try, I have included the recipe in the description box below the videos and also at the end of this video for your reference. Do let me know the result after you tried it, and don't forget, subscribe, tap the notification and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.